Let's be honest. Every woman, no matter how confident, classy, or composed, has certain seductive moves she secretly craves. Not the cheesy ones, not the aggressive ones, but the kind that whisper to her soul, tease her skin, and make her heart race in all the right ways. Most men think seduction starts with touch, but in reality, the most unforgettable seduction starts long before you ever lay a hand on her. Welcome back to Inner Wellness Us, where we decode attraction, desire, and deep emotional chemistry. Today, we're diving into the all-time best seductive moves women are secretly craving for. And trust me, once you master these, she'll never look at you the same again. Let's begin. 1. The I see you gaze. There's a difference between looking at a woman and seeing her. And when a man looks at a woman like she's the only one in the room, like he's undressing her soul, not just her body, that gaze hits different. It's slow, confident, intentional, no darting eyes, no awkward staring. It's that moment when your eyes lock with hers and hold, just long enough for her to feel that electric charge under her skin. Every woman craves to be seen, not scanned, not judged, not rushed. If you can look at her with presence and purpose, you've already started seducing her without saying a single word. 2. Whispered words that hit her mind first. Seduction starts in the mind. Women are mental lovers. Their arousal is deeply connected to what they hear, how they interpret it, and how you say it. That's why whispered words, low, close, intentional, can do more than any touch. Tell her, I've been thinking about the way your voice sounds when you're just waking up. Or, you have no idea what it does to me when you look at me like that. The key here? Make it about her effect on you, not just what you want from her. It activates her feminine power while letting her feel desired. Whispers bypass her logic. They sink into her subconscious and linger. 3. The slow, intentional touch. Seduction isn't about speed, it's about control. And nothing shows a woman your mastery like a slow, deliberate touch. Slide your fingers across the small of her back. Let your hand brush against hers casually, but not accidentally. When you hug her, let your lips graze her cheek a beat longer than expected. Every woman notices how a man touches her. Is it rushed? Is it needy? Or is it deliberate, respectful, and confident? When your touch says, I know how to take my time with you, she'll start imagining everything else you can do with that same patience. And trust me, that thought alone can melt her. 4. The just friends tease that isn't so friendly. Want to awaken her curiosity without even kissing her? Try the seductive tease. It's playful, bold, a little dangerous. Say things like, if we weren't such good friends, I'd have to kiss you right now. Or, be careful looking at me like that. You're going to make me misbehave. It's flirtation that almost crosses the line, but doesn't. It builds tension. And guess what? Tension is the backbone of seduction. When you tease her mind, you stir her imagination. And when a woman starts wondering about you, she starts wanting you. 5. The confidence move without cockiness. Confidence isn't just sexy, it's magnetic. But here's the seductive twist. Women don't crave arrogance. They crave quiet confidence. The kind that walks into the room without needing to dominate it. The kind that orders her coffee before she can decide, because you remembered how she likes it. The kind that pulls her close in public, not to claim her, but to protect her. Confidence, when mixed with care, is irresistible. It tells her, I can lead without controlling. I can dominate without disrespecting. That balance, it drives women wild. 6. The unexpected softness. Want to really surprise her in the best way? Show her your soft side in private. Maybe it's the way you hold her when she's vulnerable. or how you talk about your childhood with a spark in your eyes, or the way you open up about your dreams, not just your hustle. This emotional seduction tells her, "You're safe to be soft with me because I know how to be soft with you." It doesn't weaken attraction, it intensifies it, because now she's not just thinking about your body, she's feeling your soul. And when a woman is emotionally turned on, physical desire becomes uncontainable. 7. The sensory surprise. Seduction isn't just visual, it's sensory. So give her something unexpected to feel, smell, or hear. Play a certain song when you drive her somewhere, one that makes her close her eyes and feel. Light a candle with a scent she'll remember only around you. Leave your scent on her jacket by accident. These sensory anchors become tied to you. Every time she hears that song or smells that scent, it triggers a craving. You've left fingerprints on her senses. That's not just seduction, that's psychological imprinting, and it's deliciously effective. 8. Saying her name the right way. There's one seductive move that most men completely underestimate. Saying her name, but not just saying it, savoring it. Why? Because when a man speaks a woman's name with intention, it hits differently. It personalizes the moment. It centers her. It wraps your presence around her identity. 9. The I see the real you moment. Every woman secretly craves the moment when a man peels back her layers, not just her clothes. The moment you say, "I know you pretend to be strong all the time, but I see the softness you try to hide." Or, "You act like you're fine, but I can tell something's bothering you. Talk to me." That's not just emotional intelligence. That's soul-level seduction. When she feels like you get her, the her behind the makeup, the smile, the armor, she starts craving you not just physically, but emotionally. And when those two cravings align, you're no longer just a man she likes. You're the man she dreams about. Here's the truth, gentlemen. Seduction isn't about domination. It's about connection. It's not just about what you do to her body. It's about how you awaken her mind, her emotions, and her soul. They don't chase women. Women chase them. So if you want to awaken the kind of craving that makes her fall, obsess, and stay, start with presence. Because the most seductive move of all is being the man she feels safe and desired with at the same time. Want more powerful attraction psychology and love tips? Then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the bell so you never miss your weekly love and lust lessons. Until next time, stay seductive, stay soulful, stay unforgettable.